Good morning, class. My name is Michael Westerbeck, and today we'll be learning about responsibility. Responsibility is the state or act of having a duty to deal with something having control over someone. Three rules we'll be learning today is to stay in your seat, keep your hands to yourself, and raise your hand to get out of your seat. These rules are important because when you're doing independent seat work, you have to just stay in your seat, do your work, and let everyone else finish their work so no one's bothered or feeling like they're rushed because kids and students are moving around and being loud. So the first one is stay in your seat. This one applies to everyone, even myself as the teacher, because we want you to be able to just sit there, work on your homework and your assignments without bothering anyone or getting up doing something you're not supposed to do. And then keeping your hands to yourself. Our desks are really close. Like Susie and Ryan, you guys are like 2 feet apart. I don't want you guys to be touching and throwing stuff at each other, bothering each other. Kind of going off rule 1, stay in your seat. But keeping your hands to yourself will make sure you're not bothering anyone, hurting anyone, or interrupting anyone when they're trying to do their work. Because we're all here for the same reason. And then raise your hand to get out of your seat or if you have a question, because when you're doing your work and you just get up, everyone, even myself, are going to look at you to see what you're going to do, and they're going to get off track. So this one's really important. Just raise your hand. I'll come over and answer your question, or the assistant teacher will come over and help you. But please don't just get up and wander around the classroom if you need to throw something away or do something. But we really want to focus on responsibility, so we're going to be working on a worksheet. It's not really a worksheet, but there's a crossword puzzle having words about responsibility in the back, and then the top is just some questions you can answer with 2 to 3 sentences just to see if you have the general idea of what we're doing. And then after that, we're going to go over the whole assignment as a class, and I'm going to let everyone get in a big circle, even me and the assistant, and we're going to read what we put for the questions and see what if everyone agrees with the rules and the comments that you had on it. Because, everyone's opinions matter, but what's really important is the crossword puzzle to see if you could find out where all the words went to, and maybe you had some trouble so we can figure out then. And then after that, we'll go to recess, and we'll call it a day. Let's get started.